Good morning, children. Today we are going to do one poem. All of you please pay attention and take out your books, New James Reader. And the poem name is Clouds. It's page 16. Okay? So first of all, I'll be reciting the poem. I'll be explaining the poem to you. And at last, I would request you to repeat after me. Okay? So here I begin. Hope you all are ready. Now I'm starting. Clouds. First of all, let me tell you this poem Clouds is written by the poet's name Christina Rossetti. The Clouds poem is written by a poet named Christina Rossetti. Okay? Now I am reciting the poem. White ship on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. White ship, where did you go? Yes, once again, repeat after me. White ship on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you all walk away slow. White ship, where did you go? Yes. Now in the sky we see, what do we see in the sky? We can see clouds. What is the color of the clouds? It's white in color. But only in cloudy time it looks dark black, okay, or grey color. Otherwise the clouds are always white in color. And the sky color is what? The sky color is blue. And we can see here what? Here we are seeing that the cloud is compared with a ship. The cloud is compared with what, children? The cloud is compared with a ship. It's saying that we find the clouds staying still on the sky when the wind doesn't blow. As the wind blows, the clouds also starts floating. Okay? With the direction of the wind. So when the poet is saying, it seems that when the clouds are standing, the ships are also standing, because cloud is compared with the ship. And when the clouds are moving, it looks as if the ships are also moving. Now, always remember, the clouds only move when the wind blows, and it keeps floating towards the direction where the wind blows. And so here we find it's saying there's a question. White ship, where did you go? Actually, when the wind blows, the cloud starts floating towards the direction of the wind, and gradually it disappears. It's out of our sight, means we cannot see it anymore. It disappears. It disappears. Same as here is saying, the ships also, it seems as if the ships also went on moving. At a time, it also disappeared. But where did it go? Where the clouds went, the ships also went in that direction. Because the cloud is compared with a ship. So we came to know from this poem that the clouds look so white that it seems as if the ships are there in the sky. Ships, you know, children, ships gives us what? Wool. And what is the color of the ship? The color of the ship is white. And it has lot of fleas in their body from which we get the wool. It looks fluffy, isn't it? The ships looks fluffy. Also the clouds also looks fluffy in the sky. It seems like looking like a lump of cottons over there kept all white. Okay. So now we are going to do some interesting thing. What it can be? Tell me. First of all, tell me, did you all enjoy the poem? Did you like the poem? Yes. And you need to write down this poem in your copy. First you learn it and then you must write down in your copy without seeing. Okay? First you learn the poem and write down the poem without seeing it. Now at the ending, I must say, I'm going to do an interesting job. And I want all of you to join me. Now 1, 2, 3, start. I'm going to sing and you all together must sing with me this poem. Okay? White sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. White sheep, where did you go? Once again. White sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you all walk slow. White sheep, where did you go? Got it? So please learn this poem and also learn the poem is Polly. Today we completed the syllabus of English 2 literature, that is English 2. We call it as English literature for a half-yearly examination. And start preparing whatever is taught. On the next class, I'll be giving you all the exercises from this chapter Clouds and few questions which I'm going to set with the answers and give you all the snapshot. Okay, students? And what I would say, start preparing, and after that also let me tell you that I'll be also giving you all the worksheets for revisions. I'll give you some revision work. Gradually I'll start solving those in your copies, okay? Very limited I'll give, so mixing with all chapters, not from one chapter. I'll mix from all chapters and I'll give it one at a time, so that like a revision work, you can do it in your copy. Okay? So bye. We'll meet again later. Okay?